Changing a supplier on AutoDS is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your dropshipping business effectively. Here's how to do it. Log into your AutoDS account. Start by logging into your AutoDS dashboard. Ensure you're on the main interface where your products are listed. Navigate to Products. Go to the Products tab on the left sidebar. Here, you will find all the products currently imported from your suppliers. Select the product. Find the product for which you want to change the supplier. You can use the search bar or browse through your product list. Edit product details. Click on the product to open its details page. Look for the supplier section within the product details. Change supplier. In the supplier section, select the new supplier from the drop-down menu. If the new supplier is not already listed, you may need to add their link first. Save changes. After selecting the new supplier, ensure all other details like pricing and shipping are accurate. Click Save to apply the changes. Update inventory. AutoDS will automatically update the inventory and pricing based on the new supplier's settings.